Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the desktop site layout in Chrome app on iPhone. So whenever you open any web page or website, it will open in the mobile layout on your iPhone. So if you want to open in a desktop layout or the desktop view, what you can do is you can open that particular page and tap on this share icon in the address bar, and using the panel here you would be able to see this option which says request desktop site. Select that. The page will automatically reload, and based on your request it will be loaded in the desktop view. So this is how the web page will look in your desktop when you access this page. So if you want to switch back to the original or the mobile site view, you can again tap on this share icon in the address bar and then choose request mobile site, which will bring back to the original mobile site that has loaded. So in this way you can switch between the desktop site and the mobile site. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.